Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another simple PC tutorial video here, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily download and install Discord server on your PC, Windows operating PC. So without any delay, let's start our video. First of all, go to your browser and here type Discord and enter. Now on the first search you can see discord.com. Click that website here, that Discord, and this is their official website. Now here you can see download for Windows. You can download for other operating system by clicking it, but we're going to download it for Windows. Just click here, and after that it will automatically start your download, as you can see right here. But I already downloaded it, so I don't need to download it again. I'm going to just right click here and go to show in my folder, and now I'm going to double click here. And after double clicking here, it will take a few seconds to process the installation. As you can see, the installation process is already started here. Here is the option, just minimize it. And this is the progress bar. It is progressing. Just wait a couple of seconds. It will download a few extra things and connect your Wi-Fi or internet option. As you can see, my shortcut is already generated. And here check for update, downloading updates, installing update. It will take a few minutes or seconds depending on your internet speed, so be patient. And after all the updates and necessary download, it will show you this page. The software will show you this page. If you already have an account, just enter the email or phone number and password here. But if you don't have, just click register and create an account here. Just give the usual stuff, give your email and all of that. But I'm not going to show you that. This is the video for today. So this is the video, and I hope this video helps you. And if this video helps you, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you guys on the next video.